myself back to my own channel. What I'm doing today is making a wall decoration. Basically, I bought this fishbowl off of Wish, and it was supposed to be larger than what it was, and it's so tiny that I didn't feel like it would be right to put a fish in there. So what I'm doing is just decorating it so I can still put it on my wall and make it look pretty. So what I'm doing right here is I'm taking a string of beads and just lining them up and hot gluing them into place until I finish the entire fishbowl. I want my decorations to be gold because that'll match my room better. So I'm going to spray paint the decorations with this gold metal spray paint. Trying to cover all the silver that I can. After the pearls and ribbons, I decided to shove some flowers in there to try to make it look like a mini vase. After adding the last pearl in the middle, they are done. I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe.
Green, so you know it's going. Rock out, I've been cooler with the band, throwing parties with the gang, call it jellyfish jam. I saw my body, so you know I'm pulling with Franco.